In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine and merge PDF files. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into this guide. Now as you can see on my desktop, I have 3 PDF files. Now I want to merge them into one. Now to do that, you need to launch your Google Chrome. You can go down there and open your Google Chrome. Then search for combine PDF. Then as you can see, we have different websites here where you can use to combine, but personally I'm going to use combine PDF. Now click on it. Keep this in mind that you can only select up to 20 PDF files. So once you know that, you will minimize this. Then I'm going to select these PDF files. You can press Ctrl as you select the files. Then you are going to drag them here. Now once you've done that, you can maximize this. Then you see the files have been uploaded here. So you can also, before you combine them or before you merge them, you can put them in order which you want. You can just select the file and then you can drag to where you need it to be. I just want them to be in this order: page 1, page 2 and page 3. Now once you confirm that, you'll just click on combine. Then as you can see, the combined file has been downloaded here. So you can go to your downloads or you can open the file from here. Then you see this is page 1, page 2 and page 3. And that's how you can easily combine and merge PDF files. So if you have found this useful, please consider to subscribe to the channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.